Are you ready to learn the secret sauce that will put you into the top 10% of crypto traders? I hope so, because me and my friends previously got our asses kicked trying to figure this one out, so you don't have to. Let's be real, making money trading crypto can be a pain in the ass. I know because I was like every other crypto noob back in 2017, getting slapped around by all manner of money traps. Pump and dumps, ICO scams, influencer shills. I could go on. 7 years later, and some things in the crypto market never change. It's absolutely brutal. At least it was until I realized this one amazing thing. There is a secret to making money from cryptocurrency, and it's not what you think. It's not about your trading skills. You don't need them. It's not about your knowledge of different coins and projects. You don't need this either. It's not about your starting bankroll, because even modest account sizes can grow fast. You want to know what it is? Then don't go anywhere. See you after our theme song and episode teaser.
The world is going mad. Sigma grind set, what the fuck is that? The middle class taking up their asses, the rich preying on their empty pockets. I'll own nothing and I'll be happy. Make it make sense to me. We're the scum of the earth, and we'll laugh till it hurts. It's Money and Mirth.
The secret is understanding that the whole market moves in specific cycles, like clockwork, without fail, every single time. This knowledge will help you make profits without the fear of making expensive mistakes. No more buying tops and selling bottoms. No more emotional purchases driven by fear or greed. Invaluable peace of mind. Are you ready to learn more? Big money, or whales, grossly manipulate the markets to move them in these cycles. Putting it simply, they're playing a grand game of buy low and sell high. When they want to buy, they need you to sell, and vice versa. So let's talk about how crypto market manipulation works in cycles. The worst time to trade crypto is during the bear market. Thankfully, that came to an end in October 2022. The media were calling for the end of everything, but as usual, the crypto market didn't die. If you want to learn how to profit from market manipulation, then check out this video. It shows you how I predicted the end of the bear market in 2022. That way you can do the same next time. Back to market cycles. 2023 is what we call the recovery year. This is when prices stabilize and confidence comes back to the market. During this period, the media remained relatively quiet with a slight tone of negativeness. Why? Whales were trying to still accumulate coins as cheaply as possible. That brings us to now. The good news for all of us is that 2024 and 2025 are marked down as price expansion years. That means that right now, crypto is entering a massive bullish phase. Coins are going to start exploding in value all over the place. In fact, if you didn't notice, some of them already are. Now is the easiest time to make money from crypto trading and investing. Whales are going to pump coins one by one or sometimes in batches, often based on themes like AI coins, meme coins, real-world asset coins, metaverse coins. I could go on. They aim to boost up the price of all the coins they've been accumulating in 2022 and 2023. Once prices are high enough for them to make a nice profit, they will create a frenzy of buying interest in the media. You can ride the wave of the price increases to make huge gains, all thanks to those whales and their manipulation games. But there's a catch. There are literally thousands of cryptos to choose from. How can you know which one to buy without investing thousands of hours into research? Do you just listen to some influencer online? That usually ends badly due to all the pump and dump scams. Do you just leave money in a bunch of different coins and hope some blow up? Your money might be sitting there doing no work if your coin just sits there going sideways or worse, dumps to zero. The solution once again is knowledge of how the markets work. Individual coins are manipulated in cycles too. It's not just a grand cycle of bull market and bear market. If you can identify coins that are being pumped by inflows of money from the whales, you'll have a money-making skill that you can repeat time after time. Like we said earlier, the market moves like clockwork. It's always just a matter of time. One way of finding those coins is to flip through hundreds of charts all day. But that's assuming you know what you're looking for in the first place and have nothing better to do with your time. There are other options though. My colleagues and I have created a set of tools that identify the right coins for you. That way you put your money in and get it out quickly without needing to have experience or watching the charts all day. Here's how it works. Someone much smarter than me creates algorithms that read technical data from the exchanges and trading charts 24/7, 365 days a year. These algorithms are waiting for a specific situation to occur. When it finds one, it creates an alert. These alerts include buy, add, long and short signals, close trade signals, important and interesting zones, and much more. The system is designed to make money from the natural market cycles we've been talking about across all asset classes, not just crypto. And to make this really easy to use, the system has been designed to work seamlessly with TradingView. To celebrate the public launch of this system, we're offering limited early adopter membership slots, which come with some crazy discounts and long-term perks. I'll drop a link below. We've been enjoying more than 4 years of success, including bull markets and bear markets, so we've seen all stages of the market cycle several times now. In crypto, it's not unusual to see plus 100% moves in a matter of hours. In fact, it's a regular feature of bull markets, so now really is the best time in the market cycle to get involved. There are big opportunities available for anyone hunting crypto this bull season. Think about it. As I said earlier, the market is heavily manipulated and moves in very specific cycles. The whales have already been accumulating different coins for multiple years, and the only reason they do that is so they can sell them at a higher price. During bull markets, lots of coins can move 100, 200, 300, or even thousands of percent, but they don't always move at the same time. That creates an insane opportunity for you to grow your money by moving it in and out of coins at the right time. We've seen people turn $100 into $100,000. That's obviously not going to happen every time, but it does go to show just how wild the crypto markets can be if you have the right tools and the right support. If you choose to go it alone, best of luck with your trades. If you're looking for help, please get in touch and just check the links in the description. I hope you can now make use of your newfound knowledge of market cycles. Don't forget, you can watch this video here to learn how to profit from market manipulation. I'll see you next time for more Money and Mirth.